The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
I'm not showing you shit. Where's the manager? Can you get a manager here, please? I don't give a fuck. They're gonna show you shit. Rhonda, you accusing me of stealing? I'm not accusing you. Please record this. There you are. You're detaining me. You're detaining me. Can you please stop to get this man off my car? Are you accusing me of stealing? Are you accusing me of stealing? Dude, they both fucking fuck, asshole. Fuck. You got a few other items. You accusing me of stealing. I just paid for this shit. It don't matter. I don't give a fuck. Exactly. You're not that police. Go look in the video. If you see me stealing, come and take my fucking shit. Call the cops. No, let go of my fucking shit. I gotta go. I'm not gonna show you my receipt. Go look at the camera. Call them. Well, then go look at the camera. I think for every single piece of every cabinet. I don't have to show it to you. It's not posted anywhere. This is against my rights. Can't do that shit. They go my shit, man. I don't know. She came over here and unlocked the boots for me and everything. We even forgot her bread and got it. We forgot her fucking ice. They go my shit, man. Well, then let me go. Let go. Let go. Let go of my stuff. Please help me out, man. You should already give me the bags. Let's go. Yeah, it is. I paid for it.
So I have no proof.
What? No, you are. Do not. Hey, I paid for this. I own it. Do not touch
if you hit
my
me
property.
Again, if you hit me again,
I hit my own shit. I can hit my own shit. No, I paid for that.
Hold on, don't take our stuff. We paid for that. Hey,
I paid for that, bro.
Easy.
I paid for that. I paid for that.
I've been nice to you.
What are you gonna do?
Nice to you.
What are you gonna do?
I've been nice to you.
Do something.
I've been nice to you. I've been nice to you.
Do not touch me again. Please keep recording this. You record on me again.
why are you taking?
I did not do that.
Look at this.
I did
You
not.
touched me, man.
My hand right here. I did not push him. I did not push him.
This guy, I got it all
Send me
right
my
here.
shit I paid for.
Came at me. I put my arm out like this. I did not push him.
Maintenance register 24.
Stiff armed him.
You fucking pushed me. This shit's on video, man. Bullshit.
I put my arm out. She kept coming at me. I did not push him. My arm is still where I left it.
Give me back my property, can I?
I don't know if you paid for it. He's been approaching me the whole time.
That's my property I paid for,
We
man.
paid for this.
I even got the fucking extension warranty shit.
All you do is show it to me.
I don't have to. Where's the posting? You have to show receipts. Hey guys, you don't have to show receipts. It's not posted anywhere.
Look how many customers done walked out the door without showing a receipt.
Okay.
Your body. Let me push him.
No, look, I have a receipt. I don't have to show it to you. It's not posted. It's not posted. I have to show it to you. If it's posted in front of you, then I have to show it to you. I know the rule. What do you want? You just pushed me.
You can take my name down.
Yeah, get my phone.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Go read it. Okay. No, I need to play something.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, you have to be careful how you lift your hands towards people, you know. You have to be careful because, people will drop themselves and, you will even get a lawsuit or something that come from the police or legal authorities that you push that person when all they did was just lift your hands. So you have to be careful out there. Now, with this person, this person is a security guard, so he was just trying to protect something, that's said to have been stolen. Let me tell you what's going on, see? So this video is out on social media and it shows up a person that says that he had been accused of stealing an item from a store somewhere within the United States of America. Alright? And viewers and subscribers, I take a look on the video and I saw where this person fell to the ground. And you know, even the bottles with fluids in it mashed and all these things. That's what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. Now we see when the security guard lift him hands. That's what I say. Yeah, me see when the security guard lift him hands. But the matter of this thing is, did the security guard actually push him for him to fall? Right? Did the security guard actually push him? And is it that he pushed him to an extent with such force that the person fell to the ground? You see me? And there's another part of it where me hear when this person said, hey, make sure you're recording this, and not long after, then him fell to the ground. So things to me in this video, it just kind of look a little bit off. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, it look off to me, you know. But me bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and tell me what you think. And in the meantime, or should I say in the meanwhile, I'm telling you, be careful how you lift your hands at people out there. You see me? Yeah, when it comes to argument, confrontation, dispute, sometimes the best is just walk away, right? You know, like I'm saying in the security guard case, this is his job. He has to do something like this because he's protecting store's property, right? If it is not paid for, then they need to do double check to see and make sure that it is paid for. Again, the man that you see that fell to the ground is said to have been accused of stealing an item from out of the store that is located somewhere in the United States, all right? Yeah, so let me know what you think about something like this. Alright, did the security guard push him or not? You know, what do you think happened? Let me know what you think according to what you see in the video. Alright, yeah, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.